She makes me feel like a man.
Oh my god.
She's like 4'3", and I'm 5'3".
Oh my god.
She's like 75 pounds, and I'm 100 pounds. And sometimes she asks me for favors, and she's like,
Oh, that's awkward. Oh.
"Shoot, can you help me with this bag of milk?" What, you mean this bag of milk over here? Grandma, you look pretty tired. Do you maybe want to sit down on this stool right over here? You should quit crying.
It's Jordan.
Character matters. What are the character matters? Character matters are character traits that are highly valued in the school system. Respect, responsibility, honesty, fairness, empathy, initiative, perseverance, courage, and optimism. We were raised to value the character matters in our household. Sadly, that never worked out for me. Or Larry.
Larry.
Larry's my iguana. I hate Larry. I hate Larry so much that I tried flushing him down the toilet. It didn't work. Now let me ask you this. Did I respect Larry? Did I feel empathetic when I saw his little head being squished down the tiny toilet hole? No. Was it fair? No. And did it take courage? Hell yeah. I could throw him in the toilet. So, when my mom asked me where Larry was, I decided to respect the honesty trait as honesty is our best policy. Where's Larry, kid? He's in the sink drying off. My mom's quite fond of Larry. She said that she was already married to my father. He'd be the next best candidate. I guess when you compare the two, they're both the same. They both look the same, smell the same, keep out of their mother's way of fear like her dad, and can't clean up after themselves. So it's my birthday. My mom thought an iguana would be a great gift for a 15-year-old boy. And she comes up to me and goes, "Woo!" Mom, why is the box rattling? Well, you know how you always said you wanted another sibling to balance out the fighting between you and your brother? Yeah? Well, I got you this iguana instead. Oh, wow. She makes me sleep with him. My iguana and I have sleepovers together. How would you feel sleeping with a hairy, slimy, prickly beast on your backside every night? I'm sure most women in the audience can relate.
Heather.
I'm gonna grow up to be crazy. My whole family is crazy. game, like a really intense game. She'll chase me around the house, clasp onto my arm, and trap me in a corner, singing Feliz Navidad with a crazy look in her eye. At this point, I politely excused myself and escaped to the kitchen. And that's where I found my Nana, staring at the turkey. Hi, Nana, would you like some help taking the turkey out of the oven? No, she doesn't want help. She can do it. So, my Nana attempts to take out a 25-pound turkey by herself. He's buckling, grunts, and groans, and because of all the exhaustion, she pees on the kitchen floor.
Oh, no.
It's okay, she laughs it off, you're big. She doesn't make it uncomfortable like my mom would. My mom has a special talent for making everything extremely awkward. Yeah, like when me and my sister were younger, she would dress us up for Halloween, and I was always a boy. Pocahontas and John Smith. Beauty and the Beast. Tarzan and Jane.
Oh.
And she likes to keep pictures of these embarrassing moments around the house for everyone to see. You know, like when my friends come over, the first thing they see is a picture of me in a tan unitard and a loincloth. Yeah. My mom's also very social. She knows a lot of people. So if I ever told her about a guy I liked, she'll know someone who knows someone who knows someone who knows this guy's mom, and they'll gossip about us and try to set us up. Yeah, so after this awkward encounter at some nonchalant meeting place like the lingerie section of the bay, she'll turn to me and say, well, he was a nice boy. How can you never mention him? I told you like yesterday. I had absolutely no idea. Yeah, but I think I can forgive her because my dad embarrasses me more. My dad has been mistaken for an ape. And I'm kind of worried because I inherited a lot of his genes. And I look a lot like him. Thanks, Dad. Yeah, I have a great future to look forward to.